Basic Electrical Training for Industrial Applications. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. This 12-hour instructor-led basic electrical training course helps participants build a strong foundation in electrical theory, wiring practices, safety codes, and troubleshooting for industrial and commercial facilities while learning how circuits function, why failures occur, and how proper testing improves safety and system reliability. What you'll learn. Students will learn the relationships between voltage, current, resistance, and power, how to read and interpret electrical drawings and schematics, how to identify components such as fuses and breakers, and how to apply safe work practices including PPE use and lockout-tagout procedures. The course also covers NEC and Canadian electrical code wiring methods, grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, meter-based diagnostics, troubleshooting simple circuits, preventive maintenance strategies, and recognizing and mitigating common electrical issues such as short circuits, overloads, poor connections, and grounding problems. This course delivers practical training in electrical fundamentals, schematic interpretation, component identification, safe work practices, code-based wiring methods, meter testing, and troubleshooting skills used in industrial and commercial electrical environments. Who should attend? This course is designed for apprentice and maintenance electricians, plant operators and industrial maintenance staff, facility and safety managers overseeing systems, and technicians working near energized equipment who want to improve foundational electrical knowledge, troubleshooting skills, and workplace safety practices. This course comes with a basic electrical training for industrial application certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical protection handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Build stronger electrical fundamentals, improve your ability to diagnose and correct electrical problems, and enhance workplace safety and compliance. Register today for EFTI's Basic Electrical Training for Industrial Applications.